Today we are diving into a topic that many of us have probably experienced at some point in our lives. Feelings like everyone around us has more money than we do. Whether it's friends, family, or even strangers on social media, it can be easy to fall into the trap of comparing our financial status to others. But why does it seem like everyone else is living the high life real while we are struggling to make ends meet? Let us explore some reasons behind this common perception. One major factor contributing to this perception is the illusion created by social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook, often showcase the highlight reel of people's life and emphasizing luxury, vacation, designer clothes, and extravagant purchase. It is important to remember that what we see online is not always an accurate representation of reality. People tend to showcase the best parts of their lives while hiding the struggles and challenges that they may be faced behind the scene. So while it is important that everyone else is living life lavishly, in reality, they may be fighting the same struggles as similar to us. Our society is heavily influenced by consumer culture and advertising, which constantly bombard us with messages that equate wealth with happiness and success. While we are constantly exposed to advertisements promoting the latest gadgets, fashion trend, and luxury products, creating a desire for material possessions that may be beyond our means. This can lead to a feeling of inadequacy when we see others seamlessly, effortlessly acquiring these items, reinforcing the belief that everyone else is more financially secure than we are. It is important to recognize the difference between want and need, and to prioritize financial health over fleeting material possessions. Income inequality is a harsh reality in our society, with wealth concentrated in the hands of a small percentage of the population. This can create a stark contrast between those who have access to financial resources and those who struggles to make ends meet. When we are constantly surrounded by the image of wealth and abundance, it's easy to feel left behind if we don't measure up to the standard. However, it is crucial to remember that financial success is not solely determined by material wealth, and true happiness can be found in many different forms beyond monetary possession. Feeling like everyone else has more money than you can be a common but misleading perception fueled by social media, consumer culture, and income inequality. It is important to recognize that financial success is subjective and not solely determined by material possession. Instead of comparing ourselves to others, let's focus on our own financial goals and well-being, prioritizing financial decisions and long-term stability over fleeting material wealth. Remember, true wealth is measured by our relationship, experience, and personal fulfillment, not by the size of our bank account. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ensure to like this video and subscribe to our channels.